Hello, everybody. It's Mindy. Welcome, welcome. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mindy. I hope you hang around and stay and see more stuff. I have all kinds of things. I do diamond paintings, I crochet, I do book stuff. All kinds of stuff. Anyhow, I have some things to show you today from FGNORMAL. FGNORMAL, one of the companies I've been working with the longest, and I really like them. They're great people. I kind of developed like little personal relationships with the people that work at FGNORMAL, so it's kind of fun. Anyhow, let me show you some of the things that I got here, okay? Are you ready? I tried to get some things that were a little different, kind of unique, like this. I don't know what there was about this. It just caught my attention, and I think it's pretty cool. It only has 6 different drills, 6, but the way they've done this with all of the color printing in the background makes it cool. Like if you look down here, this it looks like a leaf to me. This is all one color drill that goes on this, but look at the different colors in the background. I just think it's pretty cool. Like over here, we have blue and purple. There's a couple different colors of drills there, but I just thought this was so cool. I may have ordered another one similar to this. I think it's pretty cool. Let's look at the drills and see what they look like. I love the colors of it, the greens, the purples. I think it's super pretty. And I already know when I was taking this out of the bag, these 4s are gorgeous. You ready? Okay, let's show you what we have. Okay, let's start with the rhinestones. And there aren't a ton. Well, there are, but not a lot of different colors. So there's 2 bags of the green. So that is our main color rhinestone. And it's everywhere, right? It's all over it. We have gold, so you can tell where the yellows are going to be the gold. Then we have purple rhinestones. That's it for the rhinestones. Green, yellow, and gold. It's kind of Mardi Gras colors, right? But it doesn't look Mardi Gras. Well, I don't know, sort of. But here's those big green ones. They're just a nice, big, faceted marquee. They're very pretty. I love those. And then we have green smooth, and then we have these pretty little blue teardrops. I think it's just beautiful. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to do. The colors are just going to pop, and I love it. It almost looks like eyes, like an eye looking at you. I don't know. I loved it. I think it's pretty. Like I said, there were, I don't know, 5 or 6 of these. Make sure you get the right item number because there'll be multiple listings. They may have 4 or 5 that are similar to this. Make sure you get the one that you wanted, okay? I tend to forget to do that. As a matter of fact, I just placed an order with FGNORMAL, and he was like, what style did you want? I forgot to tell the style. Okay. But he asked, he knew I didn't tell him, so he asked. All right. Then we had to have a gnome, right? I mean, come on. The gnome collection grows. Bless this home. Looks very legible. Strawberry patch, you pick 25, probably 25 cents. I don't know. But how cute. I think that's a bee. I think that's a bee. I love this like diagonal patchwork background back there. Little dots here and there. Look at all the flowers, and she's in her little dress, and looks like a strawberry on her top. I love it. Love it. It's so cute. This has 20 colors. Okay, that's a few less than oftentimes we find in these 30 by 40s, but I mean, really, come on, it's reds and pinks, right, with some green. Let's look at the lettering. Some people do not like how they do the lettering. I have never had a problem with these letters showing up. Yes, they are multiple colors, but they show up just fine. Now, this is all block letter. Well, there's a little bit of shading. I think there's shading around the block, but I think they'll be just fine. They've always turned out pretty good for me. All right, I'm not going to open up this whole thing of drills because, well, there's a lot of them. And they're like peaches, pinks. Here's some of the greens. See the pinks in the background? A little bit of tan. I mean, red, pink, some green. And the tan is really going to be for her hair and probably the sign, right? So those are the colors. I think they're pretty. I think she's going to be super cute. I really just need to do a whole bunch of 30 by 40s. Like spend a couple months and just do nothing but 30 by 40s. See how many I could do. Kind of like smashing the specials, but smashing the 30 by 40s. All right, look at him. This is one that comes in many different styles. I don't know, there might have been 8 or so of these cats. And that one, I had to get the cowboy cat. This one's going to Jackson for sure. And it's a cowboy kitty. It's got the cowboy hat, the vest. Look at that cow print on the vest. It's adorable. It has 11 different drills. I love this one. I don't know, is he holding his hat on like, hey, partner? Or he's got a headache, one of the two. I don't know. But it's super cute. His eyes do not get any drills, and that's fine. And I love that it's on this colored background. It's not a plain white background, and there's stuff in the background. I love it. Love, love, love it. Super cute. There were some others that were really cute too. I might have ordered another one of those too. I don't know. Oh, goodness. All right. What do our drills look like? All 11 of them. What do we have? We have clear rhinestones, orange rhinestones, red rhinestones, brown, and another brown. That's a light brown and a dark brown. Well, of course. Why not? We have a cat. Of course. A light brown, more brown, light, I don't know, light tan, sort of. And then here's our specials. We have some round, faceted. Look at those. Those are pretty. Wonder where those go. On his hat? I think they go on his hat. That'll be fun. And then we have this pretty blue here. That's the background. That's what goes in the background. This pretty blue marquee. Love it. Love, 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 love. Cute, right? All right. A couple more things. All right. Okay. I got this. I got this one. Okay. And why did I get this one? Because I ordered this one from Cootie's, and it's a complete different size. Theirs was much bigger. So I got this one to replace that one, really. I mean, I'll probably give the other one away to somebody because I want all of these to be the same size and match, you know, so I could switch them out, that kind of thing. But I had to get the October. I think I still need November. 20 colors on this one. Well, yeah, a lot of white, black, orange, right? So, wow, that's a long bag of drills. Look at all that white. And then we have orange and brown, some dark colors for the cup, tans. That is what it is. A little bit of green. Green? Where does green go? I have no idea. There's some green in there somewhere. This little light green. Where does the green go? Anyhow, that's that. So I think I'm down to 1. I need November, I believe. When I put this one away, I'm going to check my stash again and make sure that that's what I need is November. I think I already took the other October one down to my giveaway box, I think. So there was nothing wrong with it. It's just not the same size. Okay. All right. I think that's it for this unboxing from FGNORMAL. So we have this guy. This. We have the gnome. And then we have this. This is so cool. I would like to get more of those, I think. I think they're pretty cool. I like those a lot. So thank you, FGNORMAL. And thank you to everybody who's watching for watching. And I will link all of them below if you are interested in any of them, so you can get them if you're interested. I guess that's it. There is no more to tell, no more story. All right. So thank you so much, and I will be I'll be around showing you something new next time. All right. Okay. Talk to you soon, everybody.